The Marysville Auto Plant in Ohio has started production on the all-new 2023 Honda Accord and Accord Hybrid, which has been America's best-selling car for the last 5 decades. The plant has been producing the Accord for 40 years and has built over 12.5 million of the model since it opened in 1982. The 11th generation Accord will come in 6 trim levels and will be available with a hybrid electric system. About 50% of sales are expected to be for the hybrid models, which are the most powerful Accords ever with 247 pounds-foot of torque from Honda's new 2-motor hybrid system. The plant has implemented new manufacturing technologies and processes for the new Accord, including a new hood hinge design, a 2-layer carpet design, an in-vehicle electronic power steering calibration flashing system, and the in-house subassembly of the 3-piece front subframe. The all-new 2023 Honda Accord is set to be a major player in the midsize sedan market, with its elegant and sophisticated design and advanced hybrid electric system that offers both a sporty driving experience and excellent fuel efficiency. The Accord hybrid models, which are expected to make up around 50% of sales, are the most powerful ever, with 247 pounds-foot of torque from Honda's new 4th-generation 2-motor hybrid system. The Accord will be available in 6 trim levels, ranging from the turbocharged LX and X to the hybrid-powered Sport, XL, Sport L, and Touring. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.